How to measure blood oxygen level by using Apple Watch Series 10. First of all, you will have to click on the Crown button. Now start scrolling until you find this icon. And right now we can find some tips how we can make a good measurement. So click next, and first of all we have to make sure that the watch is not too low on our wrist and our watch strap should be snug but comfortable. So basically we have to be sure that we put it somewhere here above this wrist bone, and we have to let the sensors stick into our skin. And what is also very important, then if we have tattoos here or a lot of hairs, that probably the measurement will be not correct. So be sure that you actually switch your hand, or for example remove some hairs from your hand. And let's go back into this application. We have to click next. And now we have to keep our watch facing up and try not to move. Resting our wrist on a table can help. Okay, so let's click done. So that's I'm gonna do this right now. I'm gonna put it on the table. I'm gonna stick it to my skin. Let's start breathing slowly and click start. As you can see, we've got like 15 seconds to get result. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. In my case, it shows 99%, so it's not that bad. And you can also learn more by clicking here. So basically, the blood oxygen, known as oxygen saturation, what it basically does. Some note: it's not like the medical use device, but you can actually get some results right here. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.